Certain foods like soy, dairy, and certain fats can decrease testosterone levels. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can naturally help boost testosterone. Foods play a crucial role in overall health, affecting not just weight but also hormone levels, including testosterone. Excessive consumption of certain foods can disrupt hormone balance, making it harder for the body to utilize hormones effectively. Here are some foods known to lower testosterone levels and interfere with hormone balance. Here is a list of foods that destroy testosterone levels. 1. Soy products. Soy foods like tofu, edamame, and soy protein are distinct because they are phytoestrogen containing. These compounds are physically similar to estrogen in the body and function similarly. Researchers suggested that phytoestrogens in soy could affect the body. Researchers need to conduct more high-quality research on both men and women to identify the exact effects of soy on the body. 2. Dairy products. Many people may choose to avoid dairy products to increase their testosterone levels. This can be because some cow's milk contains natural or synthetic hormones that can impact the level of testosterone in a person. In addition, animal diets may contain soy, which can increase estrogen levels in cow's milk. 3. Alcohol. Anyone with concerns about their testosterone levels may consider quitting or limiting their drinking. This may be especially true for men. While some studies have found evidence that small amounts of alcohol increase testosterone levels in men, this is generally not the case. As a study posted for Current Drug Abuse Review notes, prolonged heavy drinking or regular drinking leads to testosterone deficiency in men. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint and spearmint can make a cool tea, but menthol can reduce testosterone levels in peppermint. A review by BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine shows that high-quality evidence indicates that peppermint reduces the amount of testosterone in PCOS women. However, there is not enough high-quality evidence of the herb's effect in general. 5. Bread, pastries, and desserts. A study in the journal Nutrients has been linked to diets high in bread, pastries, and other desserts to reduce total testosterone levels in Taiwanese men. Additional factors include heavy milk consumption, regular dining out, and insufficient eating of green vegetables. 6. Licorice root. A study in Integrated Medical Research notes that licorice root may reduce testosterone in healthy women during the menstrual cycle. Animal studies also suggest that licorice supplementation can reduce testosterone levels. 7. Trans fat. The fat a person eats can also affect their testosterone levels and function. Eating too many polyunsaturated fatty acids and trans fats from sources like processed foods can kill testosterone in males. Further research is needed to validate these findings, but individuals concerned about their testosterone levels might consider avoiding trans fats and limiting their intake of omega-6 fats. 8. Chocolate. A moderate quantity of chocolate may work for boosting your sex drive, but too much of it can kill testosterone quite soon. Experts speculate that chocolate comprises phenylethylamine and anandamide, which accelerate the release of endorphins and enhance your mood. 9. Diet soda. Soda is also a testosterone-killing food, especially when it has artificial sweeteners like aspartame. These sweeteners can decrease your serotonin levels, which in turn pushes you to feel depressed and leaves you with a lowered sex drive. 10. Cheese. It is good to avoid cheese if it is extracted from cow's milk, and that is mainly because it comprises synthetic hormones that can mess with your testosterone levels.